Hey everyone, this is Liz Linares, one of your Flocknote happiness engineers, and I am excited to show you how you can use our boards feature for attendance and participation tracking. So you'll see I've selected my group here on the left. We're in our Bible study group. And at the top, we have our regular notes tab, our people tab, and then we have our boards here. So I do have a board for attendance for 2020, but I'm gonna click on that plus icon and create a new board. So first, I'm just going to type in the board name here and click Save. And you'll see that when I create the new board, it pops up with every member in a row. We have 8 members in the group, so each member's name is here already. And then we have 3 columns. So there are 3 different types of columns you can have with boards. You can have a checklist, a text column, or a number column. So when you create a new board, by default, it will have one of each column. But I just need checklist columns for my attendance tracking. So I'm going to go ahead and delete these 2. And so I have my first column here as a checklist, and I'm just going to double click on that column title to change the name. Then I'm going to hover again over that column and click on the plus icon to add a new column. You'll see I'm able to give the column a title and then choose the column type. And I'm just going to repeat this for the rest of the month. All right, so now as I start checking these boxes, it's as simple as just, of course, checking the box next to the member's name when they attended. You'll see that the totals over here on the right are updating. And also along the bottom, the totals are also updating. So this is awesome. So I can keep tabs on how many people have attended each session each week. And then I can also see how many sessions total each member has attended. So this is really helpful, of course, for keeping an eye on your attendance. All right, so now that I have that tracked, again, I have the totals here on the right and at the bottom. I can click on this gray cogwheel in the upper right-hand corner and go to board settings. Here I can export the data on the board, or I can rename the board or click on this button to delete the board. Some other options are down here. We have this add a filter button. So I can filter based on the board columns here. So if I wanted to see, for example, show me all members who attended March 1st. And then I also can use the filters to look at this data with the board view, but filter like the regular Flocknote filters work. So I can filter based on email address, for example, and I can see all the people who have an email address that attended on March 7th. So I'm going to go ahead and filter, let's say, by contact info, has an email address. We'll say and we can do the board. We'll say March 1st is checked. So then this shows us all the folks who have an email address who attended on March 1st, and then I can just click on that purple actions button and export that data, or I can add these people to a new group. I can send them a note, all of that good stuff. Alrighty, that covers how to use boards for attendance tracking. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions at all, we are just an email away. You can reach our happiness engineers at help@flocknote.com. God bless.